Listen very closely. The low rumble sounds like a generator running in the distance. It's now morning at the same home in the Castlereagh neighborhood of North St. Louis County. Beyond the birds chirping, you can hear the same hum in the background.
Beard said he was just sitting in his living room Tuesday night watching TV when he heard that heavy humming echoing through his home.
On Fox, we're learning more about a strange noise North St. Louis County residents say they are hearing.
This is a hum that Contact 2's Mike Colombo has heard a lot about. And as he reports tonight, many of you have thoughts on what that sound could be.
Since our report on February 21st, we've received dozens of phone calls and emails from people on both sides of the river who say they hear this hum. There is still no definitive answer on what's causing it. The viewer who shared this video with us lives less than 3 miles northwest of Micah Mayfield's home on Old Jamestown Road.
So low that it's almost inaudible, but super consistent. So usually in the evenings after 8, you'd hear a very low humming noise that would come in kind of a wave pattern.
And I remember asking my husband, I said, babe, do you hear that noise? And he's like, what noise? And I say, listen.
St. Louis County Councilwoman Shalonda Webb can hear the hum from her North St. Louis County home. She's still got the county looking into it, and so are we. Nearby, you'll find Ameren's Portage de Sus site and Aspire STL pipeline storage facility. Both utilities investigated and say it's not them. Same for the Corps of Engineers and Lambert Airport. Central Stone Company Quarry told St. Louis County it's not doing anything during the hours that people report hearing the hum. Viewers have suggested we investigate everything from barge traffic to grain bins, an industrial gas company in Madison County, Illinois, and the Taos hum. Google it.
But for many who live in Taos, they will do anything to assure you that something is there. It's a phenomenon known as the Taos hum. There's no real specific date when it started or was first noticed, but sometime around 30 years ago, a number of residents began to complain of a constant, low-frequency humming noise in Taos. As the legend of the hum began to grow, so did the curiosity for finding its source.
Now, Taos is not alone in claiming a hum. Other major cities on the other side of the world, from England to Australia, say they have their own versions of the buzzing sound.
Guys, what is going on?
Strange sounds are being heard around the world. In Sweden, this sure sounds like a trumpet. In Michigan, another trumpet-like sound. In British Columbia, Canada, Dr. Glenn McPherson says he heard a strange humming sound in his home. At first, he thought it was an appliance.
Ultimately, I cut the power to the entire house, and the sound got louder.
Then he discovered he was not alone.
This is in fact a worldwide phenomenon, and I'm calling it the worldwide hum.
Very strange. Some of Beard's posts, or some on his post, say that the sound is eerily similar to something out of the War of Worlds. Our chief meteorologist Brad Panovich thought it could be Duke Energy conducting an early growl test of its sirens. However, tonight we found out the utility officials reached out to Ryan saying it wasn't them. Colonial Pipeline also says it wasn't doing any work at that time that would warrant that sound, so the mystery remains.
Now listen to these strange booms that sound almost from another planet. It could be a sonic boom from a fighter jet breaking the sound barrier, but others remain a weird mystery.